Can you find and remove duplicates in just one click? Transform your data from this to this. How would you handle it? Complex formulas, messy VBA code, or spending ages prompting ChatGPT? There's a faster way, and it only takes one click. Let's dive in. Open your workbook and head over to the Excel Click tab. Don't see it yet? Download it for free at www.excelclick.com. To open Deduplicate, go to the Excel Click tab. Find the Fix and Clean group. Then click Deduplicate. The panel walks you through two steps. 1. Select Range. Click a segs and highlight the column or list you want to deduplicate. 2. Action. Choose how to handle duplicates. Clear duplicates only. Keeps all rows but blanks out the duplicate values, leaving only the first occurrence in each cell. Copy unique values to a new sheet. Extracts only the distinct values and places them on a fresh tab. Extract duplicates to a new sheet. Pulls the duplicate entries to a new sheet and shows how many times each one appeared. Highlight duplicates. Applies cell formatting to mark duplicates visually, so you can review them before deciding what to do. Click Run to apply the selected action, or Cancel to exit without changes. A marketing manager removing duplicate emails before a newsletter send. A marketing manager combined subscriber lists from 3 different sources into one Excel file before a newsletter campaign. The merged list had hundreds of duplicate email addresses. Sending to duplicates would inflate costs, trigger spam flags, and look unprofessional to recipients who got the same email twice. Deduplicate with copy unique values to a new sheet extracted a clean, duplicate-free list in one click. The campaign went out to the right audience only. A freelance researcher cleaning a list of interview contacts. A freelance market researcher compiled a contact list from multiple survey rounds. The same people had signed up more than once, so the list had duplicate names and emails scattered throughout. Reaching out to the same person twice would have been embarrassing and wasted budget. Deduplicate with extract duplicates to a new sheet. Let her first see who appeared more than once and how many times. She then ran copy unique values to a new sheet for the final clean list. A small business owner finding repeated orders in a sales log. A small business owner maintained a manual sales log in Excel. She suspected some orders had been entered twice after a system glitch, but wasn't sure which ones. Going through 800 rows row by row looking for duplicates would have taken hours. Deduplicate with highlight duplicates flagged every repeated order ID instantly. She reviewed the highlighted entries, confirmed the duplicates, and removed them, keeping the sales data accurate. A data analyst deduplicating a product SKU list before a catalog update. A data analyst was tasked with updating a product catalog in Excel. The master SKU list had grown over time and contained duplicate codes, some from legacy products, some from data entry errors. Uploading duplicates to the catalog system would have caused inventory conflicts. Deduplicate, with copy unique values to a new sheet, produced a clean SKU list in seconds. The catalog update ran without any conflicts or rejected records. An agency cleaning a prospect list merged from multiple sales reps. A marketing agency merged prospect lists from 5 sales reps into one master Excel file for a coordinated outreach campaign. Each rep had submitted contacts independently. So many companies and contacts appeared multiple times under slightly different formats. Deduplicate, with extract duplicates to a new sheet revealed every repeated entry with occurrence counts. The team reviewed and resolved them. then used copy unique values to finalize the clean prospect list for the campaign.